Hello. Let's explore together Comidor processes. In order to access generic processes, go to Processes in the menu and choose Generic Processes. Start with creating a new process by clicking on the plus sign and the unit title bar. Fill in the title of your new process. Search for a process category and select it or add a new one. You can add a second category for better categorization of your processes. You can assign this processing as many people or groups as you wish. This means that people you will select here are these who will be responsible upon process completion. Select users and groups you wish to receive notifications when someone leaves a comment. Set as responsible the group that will have the accountability of this process. You can give additional access to people or groups, or modify the change rights of the process. Then, you should set scheduling of the process. Select importance and priority of the process. Set scheduled start and end dates and times of the process. Schedule duration must be set in order to calculate the task's workload later. Scheduled quantity may refer to a number of actions, product quantity or number of calls you have to make. Click on the checkbox Execute Automatically to set this process start and finish its execution automatically. Execution field will be later filled when the process will start. In case that the process has already started, make sure you will complete these fields as well. Mark status is the mark field, which may highlight a process as green, amber or red. State will be stated automatically as confirmed when the process will be created. You may change this later as confirmed, scheduled, running, completed, cancelled, paused or failed. You may want to add location details, such as country, address and city information. By clicking on Find Your Location on Google Maps, you will see the place displayed inside your process. Complete process description. Set users that will be administrators and processes supervisor. Practically, this means that these users will have access on this process, even if they are not added in the basic info above. Finally, each process may have its correlations. So, you can link this process with the related process, an account, contact, a file, email and a workflow. When you are finished, save your process. You can click on the pencil icon to edit your process information. Click on the Actions button to open a list of actions. You can refresh the view, delete the process, print your view, link your process with any Comidor entity, notify a person or group regarding this process, create a duplicate process, print notes or make a copy and process scheduling. Change RAG status of a generic process simply by clicking on RAG status color on top right of a process. Select between green, amber and red. Change process state simply by clicking on the State button on top right. Then select the state of the process. You can easily drag and drop files to add them to your process. Simply add a comment using a simple or enriched HTML editor. Finally, you can add a quick task by clicking on the plus icon of the Tasks section of your process view. Get a full generic process analysis and dashboard. Information such as time tracking, task count tracking, tasks workload in hours and percentage of process completion can be viewed from this point. Let's now move to the issues. In order to access issues, go to Processes in the menu and select Issues. Issues allows you to create entities that refer to a course of action that can be assigned and be brought to completion by multiple people, teams and groups. Click on the plus icon to create a new issue. The issue creation form is identical to the process creation form. Fill in the fields and when you are ready, save your new issue. In the issue view, you will notice a requirements box. Users that have the right to view the issue can also add requirements of this issue in case this is related with a project. Select an already created project, set up a title, put the code that refers to the auto number, the project code and the date, choose category, attach any documents from your files and write down a description. Press Create to proceed. Alternatively, click on the link icon to select an already set requirement that exists inside a project to attach it. The options on the side menu may differ depending on your user rights. To link your issue with other business entities, select Links from the side menu. Click on Link With, and search the name of the entity you want to relate. In this video we will link the issue with an account and a document. 2 new links are created. In Activity History you can view all the actions that have been taken on this issue. You can undo a link creation by selecting Unlink. Select Tags from the side menu in order to add one or more tags to your issue. Select the tags you want to add and define the access rights. Click Add to save your options. Moving back to the Issues view, select as many issues as you want and the option box will appear. You can delete, link, print notes, change state, change category, tag, make a copy and process scheduling or create requirements of the selected issues. You can also click on the Actions button on the top of your page to export or print your view. Comidor Process Dashboard is an alternative way of monitoring and viewing your processes of all types. From the application menu icon, go to Processes and select Process Dashboard. A new Unit Action tab opens with name Process Dashboard. You can quickly create a new process by clicking on the plus sign and the unit title bar. You can also filter processes by their state. Select between running processes, active processes, pending processes, due today, delayed, or all. Click on Custom Status to create a custom status for your process dashboard. Choose state of the process, scheduled start and finish dates and times and click OK. Click on the pin icon to pin this side section so as to be stable and always visible in front of text. Click on the pin icon to unpin it. Being in a pinned mode, you can hide the side section by pressing OK. Restore it by clicking on the funnel button. In the side section, search with process keywords. Account name, type, process category name, responsible group, assign to, and role options. Check importance and priority filters. Or, click on Clear to clear all filters. Select between sort options in a descending or ascending mode. While viewing the processes in Process Dashboard, you can have instant information about processes rag status. You will see them red-colored for red rag status and yellow-colored for amber rag status. Process state and when it has been created or last modified. The process's related account. Process's responsible group, which is the group that has the accountability of the process. Importance and priority of the process. State of the process. Type of the process. Category of the process, which is its given business category. Navigate through processes with arrows and scroll bars. When clicking on a process, a pop-up side page appears with Process to check. In this view, you can see and edit the most important information of the original process view. The main difference that you will notice in this view is that you can also postpone the process. Click on the arrow on the side to close the window. Now you are ready to use Comidor business processes on your own.